What is DB2 duct? DB2 ES2 PVC duct is a specialized conduit type designed for direct barrier and concrete-encased applications, widely used in Canadian local electrical installations. What are the key features of DB2? Leader's DB2 duct is made from specifically material compound with high impact and compression-resistant properties, can be used for direct barrier applications and requires no additional protection, and it is concrete tight. What are the benefits of Leader's DB2 duct? Leader's DB2 duct offers various benefits. It is lightweight, easy to carry and install, help greatly reducing labor costs. It is engineered to withstand high loads with high impact, tensile and compressive strength. It has smooth interior surface, which makes the long-run wears pulling easier. What codes and standards does it comply to? Leader's DB2 duct is certified to CSA C22.2 number 211.1, meeting the safety and performance requirements of Canadian industry standard, and is installed according to Canadian Electrical Code, CEC. How does DB2 duct differ from standard rigid PVC conduit? Both conduit types are with high impact strength and suitable for underground use. DB2 has thinner wall thickness, but is engineered with enhanced durability and resilience, allowing it to withstand the pressures and potential damage associated with direct barrier, even without additional protection. What are the installation considerations for DB2? For direct barrier applications, you need to ensure that the conduit is buried at appropriate depths to comply with regulations, and the thickness of backfill between each tiers of duct normally should range from 2 to 3 inches, and 12 inches of final backfill should be applied. For concrete-encased applications, supported spacers should be used to release direct stress on the conduits. In what applications is DB2 duct commonly used? DB2 duct is widely used in utilities, communications, telecom, and commercial buildings. Any other questions, leave us a comment or email us.